Next, we will learn to remove duplicate. This filters your Excel data from any duplicates. Select the data. Now in the tab Data, inside Data Tool group, click on Remove Duplicate. Now select the column from which you want to remove duplicate. We will select only the country column. Now this dialog box will show how many duplicates are removed and unique rows that are remained. This is the result. If all the columns are selected, this is the message.